Hey guys, today I got an exciting news that I would like to share to all of you. Finally, YouTube adds support picture in picture mode on your iPhone, iPod or your iPad. Which means that you don't need to go to Safari and enable picture in picture mode from there. It does work directly from YouTube app itself. However, for now it only works in United States and with the premium user. And if you don't have premium account, it doesn't work. But we also heard from YouTube that it is going to support for all users very soon. But now in case if you are living in United States, so if you want to get that feature, number one is you need to be in United States, and number two is you need to have premium account. And in order to achieve this, you need to update YouTube to the latest version. And now I have YouTube here. So if you have already had YouTube, you need to make sure that you update it to the latest version. All you have to do, click on your account here and scroll all the way down, and you're gonna find YouTube. And if you see the update button, click on update, and it will update to the latest version. And from there, you need to go ahead and go into YouTube. And on YouTube, you need to make sure you click on your account, and then you need to make sure you hit on setting, go into general, and you're gonna find a feature called picture in picture right there. But because I live in Asia, I don't have this feature. But for those of you that live in United States and you have premium account, it should be able to appear right there. Thanks for watching, and here is an update video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.